What's a random act of kindness a stranger did for you? My parents and I were at the local bar and grill when I was 6 years old, and I was looking at a very specific doll in a claw machine. It was Tweety Bird in a spacesuit. I was so zoned out and almost in a daydream-like state when thinking about how fun it would be to own this doll. My parents wouldn't allow me to try my luck, however, as they were severely against arcade games, seeing them as a gateway to gambling. I was so in awe of the toy in my head that I didn't even realize someone walked up beside me until the claw came down, picked the toy up, and won it in. I turned around to see a man who looked homeless and transient taking the Tweety Bird out of the chute. He immediately bent down and handed it to me. Neither of us said anything, just smiled at each other, and then he turned and walked out of the restaurant.